Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna review a perfume from Unique Luxury from Turkey, and the perfume's name is Istanbul. So stay tuned. So Istanbul is a fragrance which revolves around sweet fruity accords and has some slight woody touches to it. So let me first show you the box and its presentation and how the perfume bottle and everything looks. So this is the box. So I have purchased this box in last year, I think 2019 mid. But this perfume was released in 2018, and this was the older packing, so the newer packing are a little different. So it comes in a red kind of a box and very royal presentation again. So this is the older presentation. I'm going to show you. So here's the box. So here's the perfume and its details and all. And so this is extrait concentration perfume. So just check this out. So this is the presentation of the perfume, and so here behind the first upper cover of the box also there is slight information given about Unique Luxury and Istanbul. So let me just show you the bottle neatly. Here we have. So it's got a good metallic cap, and I'll just show you the sprayer. Sprayer, very good distribution of perfume. So right off the top, I just quickly want to jump towards the perfume's composition and how this smells and all. So let me just spray once. Yeah. So right off the sprayer, I initially see some good bursts of citrusy touch to it, like a slight citrusy touch, not a lot of citrusy touch, but off the back, immediately I get vibes of fruity touches from grape and slight, there is this vanilla note, and it's got nice sweety accords, not too sweet and all, but this perfume is mainly concentrated and revolving around a key note, which is the toffee note. So this perfume is very well created around the toffee note, and it's got some slight touches of neroli also to it. Very good perfume. One more important thing I want to bring forward to you is that this perfume was created by Sylviane Cara and Jorge Lee. So Jorge Lee is a perfumer who has created most of the Nishan fragrances, like Nishan's Hakivat and Nishan's Zene, Santa Love, I think Spice Bazaar, and most of the perfumes was created by Jorge Lee. So that master perfumer's hand goes in this perfume also. So just imagine the kind of quality and the scent profile. Very beautiful scent profile it's got. And as I told you, the toffee note which develops in this perfume is so realistic and so good. I have not seen a toffee note based perfume such beautifully created in this perfume, and especially with some of the other notes which are complementing and uplifting the toffee note is truly remarkable in this perfume. So I see a lot of slight citrus touch to the perfume, and there is floral accords from the white floral. I think neroli is definitely giving some importance in the perfume, and there's definitely vanilla in this, and it's got some musky touches in the base of the note. So I'm going to link down most of the notes of the perfume, so it's got quite some amount of notes in this. As far as the performance and longevity goes, this has got a great performance. Like I get easily 10 plus hours of longevity, and first 4 to 5 hours very good sillage. That's what I can say. And another point I would like to emphasize about this perfume is that I have tried quite a lot of perfumes, niche and as well as designer and indie house also, but I have not quite seen a perfume which is revolving around a toffee note so beautifully like this one is. So this perfume has almost like 10 to 15 notes, which is like entire composition of the perfume, but the toffee was made sure that it is the hero in this perfume, and the amount of other notes which are complementing the toffee note is really beautiful. The entire perfume concoction is really beautiful, so you should definitely try this one, guys. All I want to say is that this is a very good niche house. I'm definitely going to try most of the perfumes from this house, and there are few more perfumes I'm thinking of getting to acquire. Like there is Ismaer, and one of the very good perfume I have heard and I've tried once is Wood and Mood by this house. So I'm definitely going to acquire that also. So as far as this perfume goes, it's a very beautiful scent. So if you have not tried this perfume or not tried any of the perfumes from this house, it's a must try this house. I'm telling you, I don't know, somehow this house has not been hyped a lot, but as a niche perfume collector, I could say that this perfume and most of the perfumes from this house has got very big and good potential. So please do give it a try, and thank you guys for watching, and please stay tuned. I'm going to link down my Insta ID also, so you can get in touch with me if you have any queries and all. And thanks a lot, guys, for your constant support. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel, and until next time, please stay safe. Bye.